Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Latitude. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Latitude is completely beyond repair, it can be a frustrating situation. Often, this occurs due to a critical hardware failure or software corruption. If not addressed promptly, you risk losing important data or facing further complications down the line. Now, let's get started on the repair. For this process, you will need a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement component specific to your model. First, ensure you power down your device completely and disconnect it from any power source. To open the Dell Latitude, carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back cover. Use your screwdriver to remove these screws, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently insert your plastic opening tool into the seam and carefully pry open the back cover. It may take a bit of force, but be cautious not to damage any clips. Now that we have access to the internal components, we need to identify the faulty part. Typically, this could be the hard drive or RAM. Look for any signs of damage, such as burns or disconnections. If you're unsure, consult the manual or specifications for your model. Once located, you will need to disconnect any cables attached to the faulty component. For the hard drive, gently pull on the connectors and lift it out of its bay. If you're replacing RAM, make sure to release the clips on either side before pulling it out. When inserting the new component, make sure it lines up correctly and apply gentle pressure until it clicks into place. Remember to reconnect any cables you previously removed, ensuring they are secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back cover by aligning it carefully and pressing down until you hear it snap into place. Reinsert all screws and ensure they are tightened, but avoid over-tightening as this could strip the screws. Finally, power on your device to check if it operates correctly. If everything is working, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly update your software and run diagnostics to check for potential problems. Keeping your device clean and free from dust can also help maintain its functionality. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.